Yeah. West side born, north side bound. No time for games, nigga. Get caught slipping, that's a no-no. Y'all can't fuck with me. Chop these niggas up, man, we chunking up the deuce. ATLA, NTA, we the realest coming through. What it do with your crew, man, they looking kinda weak. And you saying that they rappers, but these rappers I'ma eat, I'ma feast. Motherfucker, I'm a beast, and the lessons that I teach is the realest to the streets. And the weapon that I reach is the Wesson in the seat. For the niggas who be talking, man, the talking's getting ceased. Creased, like a nigga getting folded up. All my real niggas in the A-po up. Get crunk, ain't nobody gonna show us. First nigga step, getting served like some cold cuts. I stun on these bitches who be watching. Team Sancho, got these honeys all topless. Hot list, ain't no nigga can stop this. No time for games, like a nigga straight watch list. Watch this, motherfucker serving hot shit. Play it from the streets, so I ain't afraid of pop clips. Pop shit, get hit, get split. Go ahead and talk your stupid ass up in the ditch. Blasted, I'm taking off in this bitch. All you stupid ass niggas getting lost in this bitch. I'm the boss in this bitch, quick to cause and some shit. Getting rid of you haters with the cost of a clip. Pulling out the pump at you niggas getting dumped. And I'm going down the line faster than you hit a bump, getting stumped. This ain't what you want that popping at the mouth will get you lit up like a blunt. See you hating on me, you ain't gonna creep. I'm burning in this motherfucker prior to the beat. Adding fire to the heat, fire to your seat. Fuck around with me and you'll expire in your sleep.